Draw a straight line AB. Measure 50 degree, 90 degree using a protractor. Mark the points. Draw the lines OP, OR and OQ. PO is incident ray, OQ is reflected ray, and OR is called normal, that is perpendicular to the mirror surface. AB is the mirror. Mark 50 degree. Angle I, that is angle of incidence, R, angle of reflection. The sum of angle I and 50 degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle I is equal to 40 degree. So, law of reflection states that angle I is equal to angle R. That is, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Thank you.